How to set up membership plan on Wix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a different membership plan on your Wix website. Whether you are offering premium content, online class or subscription based service, this is how you can get started the right way. Now, and just and this tutorial is for the standard Wix editor, not for the Wix Studio. Now let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply come to wix.com and you will get to see this kind of interface where you can select your site. In my case, I have created already 3 websites. Now if you don't have any website, you can use create a new site and you just select the template and start your creating and customizing your new site. After doing all of those things, come back to this dashboard. You can select your site. Just simply click on the select site, and then you will get to redirect you to dashboard. So this is a Wix Studio. I'm already know, but when I click on this edit site, it will redirect me to Wix standard Wix editor. So what I will do, I will just simply click on the edit side. So it will take few seconds to open the Wix editor, but now we have successfully opened our website, as you can see here. Now first thing what I will do, I will just simply create a new section over here. Just simply click on the add section, it will create new one. So I have already a section. What I will do, I will just simply go into, in the left side you will get the option of add apps. I'll just simply click over that, and now just simply click on that. It will open the Wix marketplace where you have to search for pricing app. Now hit the search button and paid plan comparison, product option package and plan comparison, display pricing for a bundle or membership. So I think this is that one. No, this is the fourth one. Just simply click on the Wix pricing app. So this is an overview of the application. You can pause the video and just you can read it out. And now what I will do, I will just simply click on add to site and it will start adding into my site. Now give a few seconds to upload that app into our website. So as you can see here in this blank section, we got added our price. Now let's go back into add apps. They have a lot of options. For example, pricing app. Just simply hit the enter button. Now if you click on this, let's see how it looks like. So this is a basic one. This is not that good, but if you go back and search it again, okay, this should be something. Okay, I have finalized this one. What I will do, I will just simply drag this into, yeah. So this app will create automatic pages. For example, these are some few pages by default. So what I will do, I will just simply click on the save and go into pages and menu, and from pages and menu you can see in the plans and pricing. Just simply click on that. Okay, the pricing and plan pages are not working. What you have to do is just simply click onto wix.com and refresh it and close this tab, just leave it. Now wait for to open the dashboard. Choose your site, click on the select site, and again it will take you to this page. Now let's see where the sales, events, the getting paid. I'm not able to get that option. Let's see, try to refresh it. Maybe we will get then. So I think in the apps, if you scroll a little bit, now let's go back into edit side. Give me for a few seconds, I'll be back. So we got the option where in the catalog we'll get to see this pricing and plan, where you can manage your plans, and just simply click on the get started. Now from here you can create your first plan. Just simply click on the create first plan. Now this will be look like a simple page, but you can customize it. Now let's give a plan membership. This is a plan for my video editing services. For example, silver plan. This is, I will choose, this is a basic, and you can give the description for perfect for beginner looking for weekly classes. Now what I will do, give the like, so give the description for, I have added a simple description for just to begin. Now you can add a plan card image. What I will do, I will just simply add an image, and if you want to create your own image, you can use your Canva as well. And if you want to create an image with the AI, you can create it. Now I will search video editing and search it. Now this is a basic plan. Oh, this looks good. I will choose this image as a basic plan. Now you can tell customer what main features are optional. For example, you can add the features over here. For example, give me the features. So what I will do is just simply give me the features for my basic editing services, and hit the enter button, and it will give the some, no, so I will choose random stuff like cutting, and over here and click on the add more, go back into ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT to work fast, so you don't need to use ChatGPT. You can add your own features in the plan, so the user get the experience. So simply add this. Now after adding the features are an options, you can just simply the, scroll down a little bit and connect and manage benefit for this plan. Like if you want to add a ticket discount and ticket limit for your event, you can add that too. You, for example, if someone has like we have created earlier an event, if someone has purchased this event, then I will give like 30% discount, and ticket limit will be like 1. So it's not like, yeah, for example, someone buys this basic plan, it will give a 30% discount on my upcoming event. So correct me if I'm wrong. Now pricing option, if it is free, just simply click on the free, and it is one-time payment, you can just simply click on that and give the price, which is $1,000. Select the length of the plan, which will be 1 month. I don't think so I have a length of the plan. I will choose custom, so I will choose for 1 month. If you want to set up a charge a setup fees, you can give that as well. Now I don't want to set up a setup fee. Now scroll down a little bit, you get a limit 1 subscription per customer. Let customers subscribe to this plan only once with the same email. No, I don't want to do that. Just I will disable this. Allow plan cancel, yes, you can cancel this. Now let customers set a start date, yes, give that option. Now add policy, you can add policy privacy checkbox on. Now give me, I will give you like I will give the prompt to the ChatGPT to create the privacy policy of my video editing services. So this is a basic template, and I will just simply copy and paste it over here, and now click on the save. So you can edit after that too. Now create a form if you want to collect additional information at checkout. Add a customer. You can add a customer form to this plan's checkout to ask for extra information. You can create it. Just simply click on the create if you want to create. Now let's see if what we can create. You can add first name, last name, email, or phone number, or birthday. You can do that, but I don't think so. I need to create that form. Now let's move to another one. Customize the thank you page. You can customize it. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Got it. This is a good looking thank you page, and click on the save. Now we have successfully created our first plan, and click on the save. Now this is our first basic plan. Now let's create another plan. If you want to create, you can create 3 plans over there, and or more as well. Now let's set up a payment method. From here you can connect with your PayPal, Razorpay. Right now I'm in Indian, so all of the payments option I will get related to India. So if you live in a different country, then you will get a different types of payment options. So just simply click on the connect and follow the instructions to connect your payment system. So I will just skip that part. I will just search for accept payments. Let's see what is in the accept payments. Okay, settings. Let's go back into our catalog, and let's see now. Upgrade with the plan that lets you to accept payment. Just simply you have to upgrade plans to, like, if you want to accept the payment with this, that you have to upgrade this Wix membership. Now I don't think so. I didn't need to add that. Now, after doing all of those things, creating your first plan and the second plan and the third plan, after setting up your payment method and then upgrading your payment for the accepting your payment, then what you have to do is just simply go back into your home page and click on the edit side. It will take you to this side. Just give a second to load. Okay, we are in the site. Now let's add that plan. Go into pages and menu, and then from here you have to choose pricing and plans and plan and pricing. Click on it, and it will take you to that basic which we have created. Right now it is showing only one because I have created only one plan as we have already added. Now if you created 3 plans, it will show something 3 plans over here, so you don't need to worry about why this is showing only one. Now click on the save and hit the preview button to check if it is working or not. So let's see. Just simply click on the select. Now it will take you to, okay, this is that. Now scroll down a little bit. Let's see if we got our payment. Okay, again I think so I think I haven't added a payment option, so that's why it is not selecting. So yeah, so this is how you know how to set up a multiple membership plan on a Wix using standard editor. You can customize everything, images to description to benefit to pricing. It suits your business or community. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.